So right now I'm going to go into Arrows and submit a RUTA, which is a rescheduled drill now. And Arrows is a very tedious process.
Depending on your status, your supervisors, and chain of command, you could have anywhere from 8 hands this certification passes through. For pilots, they have an additional 2. Although it seems the Arrows process should work quickly and efficiently due to a lot of problems, it moves very slowly.
A rescheduled drill, my supervisor or the certifying official is going to need to come in and certify that I am coming out to perform that drill.
My job is to go in and look for the hard holds, the unit commander roles, and either approve or deny the requested RUTA. Once I approve it, it goes, the authorization is put into a hold status until the member is able to go in and certify that they performed the duty.
My role as the supervisor is to approve the document after it's been submitted by the member.
I now need to go back into Arrows and do a statement of duty stating that I did perform the drill.
At the end of the day, we do the upload straight from Arrows. We upload it into DMO. DMO is the actual system that gets audited by the supervisor, and then at that point gets sent out to DFAS, which it could take anywhere between a day, 2 days, to I've seen like a week, but it depends on who's on the trail. So if everyone who's supposed to be certifying or approving at a later time isn't here, then there's no one to do it.
So you said you did it?